Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok search not working. So let's get started right away. I've got TikTok open here, and if I touch on Discover in the bottom left, you'll see at the very top, there's a search bar where I can type in anything I'm looking for. Let's say you enter cute cats and it will show top videos, users, videos, sounds, hashtags, and whatever else. If you can't go through the same process to search for something, then the TikTok app has an issue. You could try closing the app and opening it up again. You can also try logging out of your account to see if that resolves the issue. To do that, just go back from here and simply tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then the three lines in the top right corner, and then select Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and hit the Logout button. And then what you want to do is log back in, which sometimes solves issues like these. So the last thing you can do is head over to your settings. And on that, just scroll down to where it says APS and then select it. Then what you want to do is search for TikTok at the top of the search bar and select it. After that, stop the app. And then go to Storage and clear your app data. This will not affect your actual TikTok account, but it will delete your drafts and all of your files. So be aware of that. So once that's done, go ahead and open up your TikTok app, and you'll be able to use the search tool to find whatever you're looking for on TikTok. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this.